Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the Bissell HydroWave. This compact carpet cleaner is perfect for cleaning small spaces. It's even small enough to clean the stairs. I'll start by filling up the water tank. As you'll see, there are lines on the back of the tank to show you how much water and cleaning formula to use. I'm going to be cleaning quite a large area, so I'll fill it up to this line here, then I'll top it up with the cleaning formula. You get a sample of carpet cleaning formula with your HydroWave, but when that runs out, you can order more from Bissell direct or from most other Bissell stockists. Now we'll put the tank back on the machine. Make sure it clicks into place. If you ever think your HydroWave is leaking, it's probably because the water tank isn't in properly. Now we're ready to start cleaning. You can choose either Express Clean or Deep Clean mode. If the carpet is very dirty or it hasn't been cleaned in a long time, then use Deep Clean mode. Or if you clean the carpet regularly, choose Express Clean, and your carpets will dry in about 30 minutes. Under the handle there is a trigger, and when you squeeze that, the water is sprayed onto the brush roll at the front, and when you let go of the trigger, the water will stop. To clean your carpet, squeeze the trigger as you go over the area you're cleaning, then release the trigger and pull back. Do this nice and slowly so that the machine picks up most of the water. Keep going over the same area until the water coming up looks clean, then release the trigger and go over a few more times to remove as much water as possible. If there is one spot that is particularly dirty, you can use the CleanShot pre-treater to help remove the stain. Point the front of the machine at the spot you want to clean and then press the button on the handle. A jet of water will spray out onto the stain, then you can either clean the area as normal, or if it's a really stubborn mark, you can leave it to soak before cleaning. After a while, you may notice that the noise suddenly changes and becomes more high-pitched. That just means that the dirty water tank is full and it's time to empty it. When you finish cleaning, it's a good idea to let the machine run for a few seconds without squeezing the trigger. This just lets all the water make its way up into the tank so that nothing leaks out once you've turned it off. Now you can clean your HydroWave. Put it onto the storage tray, then fill up the measuring jug with water and pour this into the tray. Tilt the HydroWave back and turn it on until it has picked up all the clean water. This rinses off the brush roll and the front cover. Now that the brush roll is clean, you can put it in the holder to dry. Empty the dirty water down the drain, then rinse out the tank and the filter. Once everything is dry, you can put your HydroWave back together, ready for the next time.